Namaste. I am Dr. Anchit from the Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we are going to learn about poisoning and clinical symptoms of poisoning. So, what is poisoning? Poison is any substance that is harmful to your body. Many different types of poisons exist. Poisonous substance can be a product that you have in your house. Medicines that aren't be taken as directed can be harmful also. There are several ways you can be exposed to poison. You can breathe in it, swallow it, absorb it through your skin. Poison can be an accident or a planned action also. Now, what are the symptoms of poisoning? The effects of poisoning depends on the substance that you consume, the amount you consume, and the type of contact that you take. Your age, weight, and state of health also affects your symptoms. The most common symptoms of poisoning are nausea or vomiting, diarrhea, rash, redness, sore around the mouth, dryness in mouth, drooling or foaming at the mouth, trouble breathing, dilated pupils or constricted pupils, confusion, fainting, and shaking or seizure. Now, what causes poisoning? There are a number of substances that are harmful and that can be poisonous. These include household products and personal care products which are not edible, like nail polish remover, mouthwash, which is harmful to children. Certain cleaning products and detergents, paint thinners, pesticides, lawn chemicals such as herbicides, fertilizers, fungicides, metals such as lead, causing lead poisoning, mercury, which can be found in the old thermometers and batteries, prescription and over the counter medicines, which can be combined in a wrong way, illegal drugs, carbon monoxide gas, spoiled food, plants such as poison ivy or poison oak, and venom from certain snakes. Now, how is poisoning diagnosed? Your doctor can diagnose poisoning first. He reviews your medical history and do a physical exam. Your doctor can also perform tests to find the cause. Most poison can be detected in your blood or urine. Your doctor may order a toxicology screen that checks for a common drug using a urine or a saliva sample. Now, can poisoning be prevented or avoided? The best way to prevent poisoning is to avoid contact with harmful substances. Keeping all the harmful substances such as cleaning products, pesticides away from the reach of children. Wearing protective clothing like gloves when you use cleaning or chemicals. Avoid using pesticides, thinners inside the house. Don't mix chemicals. Keeping medicines and chemicals in their original containers. Label everything inside your medical cabinet. Get rid of old or expired medicines. Follow all product label directions. Have gas or oil and wood fueled appliances serviced regularly. Be sure they are well ventilated. Never run your car in the garage, otherwise, you can come out when you're coming or leaving because the smoke can also cause carbon monoxide poisoning. Now, what is the treatment of poisoning? The treatment depends on the person and the type of poisoning. In this situation, try your best to stay calm. The first step is to get away from or remove the poison if you can. That is, if you have consumed poison accidentally, you can try puking it out by putting fingers and with the help of regurgitation reflex through your throat. If the poison is on the skin, rinse it off with water and soap and remove nearby clothing. If the person swallowing poison, do not try to. If the person has already induced poison, do not try to induce vomiting if it has been a longer time. If the poisoned person is awake and alert, call the ambulance and shift him to a medical unit as soon as possible. To have the following information ready, we have to have a person's age, weight, address, the substance which may he might have consumed, and the time of incident. So I hope you had a general idea about poisoning, its symptoms, and how it can be treated. In case of any query, leave a comment in the comment section and we'll clear it out. Thank you.